Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. So I hear you're taking a trip. See you next fall. That's a joke we used to tell each other in 3rd grade. Oh, you want more? All right. What travels around the world but stays in the corner? A postage stamp. I crack myself up. But seriously, folks, don't be that person at airport security who holds up the line and gets half of his stuff confiscated. Let's go over some TSA carry-on rules. You are allowed to bring a 1-quart size bag of liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes in your carry-on bag and through the checkpoint. There's something called the 311 rule. 311 means 3, which is 3.4 ounces or less of liquid per container. In metric, that's 100 milliliters. 1 is a 1-quart size clear plastic zip-top bag. All liquids must fit into this bag. 1 is 1 bag per passenger. In case you were wondering, a 1-quart zip-top bag measures 6 inches by 9 inches. In metric, that's 15.24 centimeters by 22.86 centimeters. This is my 6x9 clear zip-top bag filled up 311 style. If you don't have one of these, place an order at shavenation.com and ask for one in the notes at checkout, and we'll be happy to include one for free in your order. Helpful hint number 1. Place your liquids in the zip-top bag and remove them from your carry-on luggage. This will speed up the screening process. Helpful hint number 2. If your carry-on bag has a pocket in front, place your clear zip-top liquids bag in there for easy access so you can pull it out easily at the security checkpoint. Helpful hint number 3, warning. When you take your valuables out and put them in the tray, don't walk ahead blindly. Keep an eye on your valuables as they travel down the conveyor. A lady friend of mine put her expensive wallet in the tray and then moved forward, and when she went to retrieve her tray, the wallet was gone. Probably someone behind her in line snatched it when she wasn't looking. So be vigilant and watch your belongings. Liquids and gels. You may only carry on liquids and gels that are in 3.4 ounce containers or smaller. Liquids include toiletries such as shampoo, aftershave, hand or body lotion, mouthwash, and liquid makeup. Toiletries often found in gel form include toothpaste, deodorant, and lip balm or lipstick. If the original package contains more than 3.4 ounces, transfer liquids and gels into smaller containers or purchase handy travel sizes. You can't take a large size toothpaste tube with only a little bit left in it. And you can't take a half full bottle of shampoo. Put them into smaller containers and put them inside the clear zip-top bag. Items that are in containers larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 millimeters must go in checked baggage or they will be tossed in the trash. Makeup. Liquid foundation, liquid eyeliner, mascara, lip balm, cream blush, lipstick, or any other makeup in liquid or gel form has to meet the 3.4 ounce container limit and must fit into the 1-quart plastic bag. Warning. Any liquid, aerosol, gel, cream, or paste that sets off the alarm during scanning will require additional screening, meaning they are probably going to dig through it to examine it further. Powdered or pressed makeup, baby powder, talcum powder, and other toiletries that aren't in a liquid or gel form are not regulated. Pack them anywhere inside your carry-on bag. Accessories. Disposable razors and their cartridges are the only types of razors permitted in your carry-on luggage. Razor-type blades such as box cutters, utility knives, and safety razor blades are only allowed in checked luggage. You may also carry nail clippers and nail scissors with blades shorter than 4 inches. Nail clippers, 3 inches, yes. Small scissors, 3.5 inches, yes. A knife, no. Don't pack knives or large scissors. If you need batteries for a toothbrush, razor, or other item, these are allowed in your carry-on luggage or you'll have to get them when you arrive at your destination. Here is my 6x9 aka 311 clear zip top bag. I'll describe to you what's inside of it. Mr. Taylor's Luxury Aftershave Balm, 75 milliliters, 2.5 fluid ounces. It's okay. Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Luxury Aftershave Gel, 2.5 ounces, 75 milliliters. That's okay. Toothpaste, very small, 0.85 ounces. That's okay. Fine Shaving Cream, American Blend, 100 milliliters, 3.3 ounces. That's okay. And a travel sample of Captain's Choice Bay Rum Aftershave. This is only a couple ounces. No problem with that either. Here is my DOP kit. These items don't need to be in the clear zip bag because they're not liquids. I'll show you what's in here. My toothbrush, a shaving soap stick, a travel stick. The way this works, just remove the cap. There's your soap. Rub it on your wet face. Brush it on. Get your shave on. Very simple. Again, under 3 ounces, it's okay. Here's my travel shaving brush. Fits in there easily. Looks like this when it's assembled. A safety razor with no blades. That's okay. This is a Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block. This is an excellent natural antiperspirant and deodorant. You can use this as an aftershave and as a deodorant. You might want to bring two, one for your face, one for your underarms. Now let's get to the good stuff. Let's talk about different types of razors. Disposable razors are allowed. The head and the body are one solid unit. These are allowed. Cartridge razors are allowed. Cartridge razor, the cartridge can be removed from the handle. It's not one solid piece like this one. Electric razors are allowed. Straight razors are not allowed. Safety razors are allowed without blades. You love your safety razor and you want to shave with it on the road just like you do at home, right? How are you going to conquer the world without blades for your safety razor? Let's talk about some options for getting razor blades for your safety razor. You can put them in your checked bag if you take one. Or you can mail them to yourself at the hotel or a friend's house where you're staying. If you're staying with a friend, hopefully they shave with a safety razor and you can bum 1 or 2 blades from them. Or when you arrive at your destination, you can go to the local dollar store and pick up some blades there. They won't be the best, but they'll do in a pinch. Dollar stores are everywhere. Certainly you can find one close to where you're staying. Here's a personal experience that may or may not have happened to me. I was flying from Chicago to New York. I went through security, got on the plane, we're up in the air. I decided I'm going to take a little nap. I put my hands in my pockets of my jacket and I felt something in my left hand. And when I felt it, there was no need to take it out because I knew what it was. A full package of Astra safety razor blades in my pocket. Yep, made it through, no problem. Don't ask me how that happened. Maybe it happened, or maybe I dreamed it. When all is said and done, keep this in mind though. The final decision rests with the TSA officer on whether an item is allowed through the security checkpoint. So, it's up to them. So if they confiscate any of your items, don't you dare say, but Geofatboy said it was okay. Don't do that. All that being said, if I'm incorrect on any of this, or if you have something helpful to add, which I haven't covered, please comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And I will leave you with this. We are all time travelers, moving at the speed of exactly 60 minutes per hour. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Please comment and subscribe.